of Vijaya College in partial fulfillment of final year degree doing project on RF remote controlled home automation. So the main objective of this project is to develop the home automation with the RF controlled remote.
Remote control RF receiver. It is the input unit. It is a four toggle. It is input unit. It is a four toggle switches. It is used for on and on and off, and it is provided the four digital used on and off. It is provided the four digital data. In this have the encoder. It converts 4-bit digital data to the serial data to fed the RF transformer, and the RF transformer it reaches the serial data and modulates the 433 megahertz carrier wave. The modulate ASK, that is the amplitude shifting key, signal the space with the help of the antenna. This is RF receiver. It is connected to the it receives the data from the RF transmitter. RF transmitter used here data will be demodulated and it is connected with decoder. In decoder, serial data will be converted into 4-bit parallel data. It connected to microcontroller. Here data will be stored in ROM. Microcontroller directly connected to the relay. Relay is a it supplies relay is an electromechanical switching. It converts digital data into the electromechanical switching. Relay it provides 220 volts of power. Here with this relay is connected to the four socket switchboard. These switchboards are used to connect any of the home appliances like washing machines, phones, or any other electronic devices. Here we are using adapter. We are using 12 volts of power. Relay uses 12 volts and other devices uses 5 volts of power. Switch one is on. It connected to the multimeter. Multimeter it shows in remote control first bit on. It on the ammeters, and when the second switch is on, it shows the multimeter to 30 volts. When third switch is on, it shows the function generator, and when fourth switch is on, it shows the regulated DC power supply.